Automatic Streetlight. The aim of our project is to make a smart streetlight that turns on automatically in darkness or when a vehicle or person passes by. Components used: IR sensor to detect movement of people or vehicles. LED acts as our streetlight. 220 ohms resistor protects the LED. Breadboard to assemble all components. Jumper wires for connections. 9V battery with clip to power the circuit. Component explanation: IR sensor, infrared sensor. An IR sensor detects objects using invisible infrared light. It has 3 pins: VCC, GND, and out. The VCC pin is for positive power, GND is for negative, and out gives the signal to other components. When an object comes near, the IR sensor detects the reflected light and sends a signal. In our case, when an object is detected, the sensor gives a low signal, meaning turn the light on. These sensors are used in automatic doors, obstacle detectors, and street light systems. LED, light emitting diode. The LED gives light when current passes through it. It has 2 legs: long leg, anode, positive terminal; short leg, cathode, negative terminal. In this project, it acts as our streetlight bulb. 220 ohm resistor. A resistor controls the flow of electric current. It has 2 pins, terminal 1 and terminal 2, and it is neutral in direction, meaning it can be connected either way. It protects the LED from burning by reducing excess current. It's like a safety guard for our LED. Breadboard. A breadboard helps us connect components without soldering. Inside, it has metal strips that connect holes together. The 2 outer long lines on both sides are called power rails. The red line, plus, carries positive voltage. The blue line carries negative or ground. The middle part has connection lanes, columns, where components are connected vertically in groups of 5 holes. This means when you put the legs of 2 components in the same lane, they are electrically connected inside the board. 9V battery with clip. This battery provides power to our whole circuit. The red wire is positive and the black wire is negative. Jumper wires. These are colorful wires used to make connections between components and breadboard lanes. Circuit connections. Place the LED on the breadboard. Connect the positive leg, anode, of the LED to the positive terminal of the 9V battery through a 220 ohms resistor. Connect the negative leg, cathode, of the LED to the out pin of the IR sensor. Connect the VCC pin of the IR sensor to the positive terminal of the 9V battery. Connect the GND pin of the IR sensor to the negative terminal of the 9V battery. Finally, attach the 9V battery clip. Red wire to positive, black wire to negative. Your smart streetlight system is now ready. Result: when we power the circuit and there is no object in front of the IR sensor, the LED remains off. But as soon as we bring our hand or any object in front of the sensor, it detects it and the LED turns on automatically, just like a real street light turning on when a vehicle passes by. Precautions: 1. Always check the positive and negative sides before connecting the battery. 2. Do not touch wires or components with wet hands. 3. Make sure the IR sensor faces forward toward the area where you expect detection. 4. Use a resistor to protect your LED from burning. 5. Double-check all connections before applying power. In this project, we learned how an IR sensor can automatically turn a street light on and off by detecting objects. We understood the role of each component and how they work together on a breadboard. This concept is used in real smart streetlight systems to save electricity. Keep experimenting with such projects. Each one brings you closer to becoming a confident robotics engineer.